What is lacking in your trading that stops you from being consistent? It's a great question. We have to make sure that we are asking ourselves that every single day. Here's the chart from today. Today, I decided market structure from the last 24 hours was telling me that we were going to continue short. There were some draws in liquidity from trading this past week after we had went kind of parabolic. There were some draws in liquidity going to the downside. I decided, hey, I'm going to wait for my entry. I'm going to hop in and I'm going to take advantage of this trade. Market opens. I wait about 15 minutes before I place my trade. Market dumps, right? My bias, is it wrong? No. What is wrong is my timing. I placed 3 trades back to back to back trying to take advantage of this move right here. Because my timing was off and I didn't wait for confirmation, or I wasn't patient enough to see the final shift in the market, I lacked the discipline to take advantage of the opportunity. So when you trade, you make sure you ask yourself every single day, what could I have done better? What didn't I do? Did I go break even too early? Did I is there a certain number of points that I should be shooting for every day? Should my stop loss and my take profit be static if that's what I need to do to stick to my game plan? How much should I be risking to be comfortable with? Was my bias correct? Is the reading of the market correct, but my timing wrong? Or is it that my reading of the market is incorrect and my timing is always right? I just end up choosing the wrong direction. These things are important. We have to make sure we're looking at volume. We're making sure we're looking at orders coming through, the depth of market. If you have one of those like heat maps, I haven't gotten into any of that yet. These things are important. Me personally, I like to trade continuations. Continuations for me are a little bit safer because they're supported by previous market structure. If you trade reversals, make sure you have a solid checklist of things that you need to see before a reversal, before you go in for a reversal. Doing the deep research into every trade that you take that will tell you whether or not what parts of your trading is weak. That way we can get better. Chat, that's I think this is day 3. 7:45 is when Asia market opens, so I decided to hop in with what market structure was telling me for the last 24 hours. I short, I risk 300. The trade goes down. I'm up $500 on the trade. I decide to go break even. You know what happens? Trade comes back up and stops me out. So there's a lot to it. And maybe I just need to be more, a little bit more willing to accept these smaller wins to in order to push my account forward. Chat, I appreciate you watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow.